So a rousing round of applause to all concerned with the 2022 season of the Jamaica Premier League. And even more rousing round of applause for the Stars of the East turned national champions again. Harbourview, yes. Even with the fact that Harbourview finished in 6th position in the 12-team league, some 20-odd points behind the league-topping Firehouse. But as per the format of this competition, Harbourview squeezed into the top 6 and then dispatched Arnett Gardens, dispatched Firehouse, and then dispatched Don Beholden in a 5-game unbeaten run that elevates the status of Coach Ludlow Bernard to the first coach in Jamaica's football history to win the Manning Cup, the Oliver Shield, and the National Premier League in the same season. It was a good season though, culminating with some top quality and exciting football played in front of thousands and thousands of football-loving fans who seem to have rediscovered their taste for local football. And I genuinely hope the JFF leadership are peeping over the fence and seeing how proper leadership, marketing, and sponsorship can work miracles for local football. So applause again. Yes. Loud applause, yeah, man. Loud applause for the football.